Hello friends, in this video we will learn about Marquee tag. This tag is used for scrolling piece of text or image displayed in your web page. Suppose I want to write YT Kida for everything. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see that text YT Kida for everything is scrolling in our web page. Then comes to direction attribute. It can be left, right, up and down. By using this attribute, we can identify how the text scroll. Means suppose our text is please like, share and subscribe to my channel and direction is upward. Then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see that text is scrolled in upward direction. Okay, then comes to height and width attribute. Okay, they can express in either pixel or percentage. They can used to change the height and width of the Marquee. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see the first test Marquee change its height and width. Okay, then comes to behavior attribute. This attribute specify the behavior of text. Means text can be alternate, slide and scroll. And here I am going with scroll. Okay, then comes to scroll amount attribute. This attribute can change the Marquee speed. Okay, and a higher value for score amount makes the Marquee score faster. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see the Marquee speed is dependent to the value of score amount, as you can see. Okay, I'll see you guys in next video.